Good morning and welcome to the MSEC challenge. I'm going to present the Ventureo solution. We are going to speak about the problems we want to solve, our solution, the inclusion of MSEC security features, the advantage for the maintenance service, the advantage for the citizens. I'm going to present the Ventureo team and the needs to market our project. So the problem is that Fujisawa Road Repair Maintenance would like to improve its process. Today, people are calling to alert about repair needs, and problems are stored on a spreadsheet. How can we improve this process with blockchain tools? We want to involve citizens and reward them to participate with Hive token. So citizens are taking a picture when they meet a problem, and they make a post on the Hive blockchain with a precise localization of the problem. Index of all the posts is made on the public domain.live tool, and Fujisawa can identify the authors, anonymize the picture, and reward the citizens. They can also better inform the citizens about when the road repairs will take place, and of course, they will repair the road. Which security feature can we include in our project? There are 4 different points. The first point is the security of mobile phones of the citizens, but it's too vast to speak about this point this morning. MSEC has developed an identity and reputation system for participants, and we can use this to be sure that it's not a stranger that is posting about repair needs in Fujisawa. And also anonymization of picture application can be used. What are the advantages? This will save cost and times for the maintenance service, because damage are precisely described, localization is clearly identified, damage will be notified more rapidly by citizens, and damage will be sorted by urgency by the inhabitants themselves. What are the advantages for the citizens? They will be rewarded for their participation. They will rank the urgency of the repairs. So important repairs can be done more rapidly. And citizens will be rewarded for their participation. Here is a screenshot of the Fujisawa page on public domain. You can list many different things like organizations, events, or maintenance. I also made a page about Fujisawa road repairs, where we can see that already 3 road repair needs has been posted, and the test 3 post has been accepted by 2 citizens, so it's probably the more urgent repair needs, and we can click on this link and we can see that yes, it's a very important and urgent repair need. We can see that we have been using the What3 World systems here to precisely localize this road repair need. So we are using 2 different blockchains, the Hive blockchain and the Telos blockchain, which are both 2 delegate proof of stake blockchains. We are using the hive.blog interface on the Hive blockchain to post and to reward citizens. And we are using public domain.live on the Telos blockchain to rank the list of repairs. And the maintenance service can also use public domain.live to notify citizens about the date of the repair. Ventureo is selling training tools to anybody willing to learn better how to create an account, send a transaction on the blockchain, and how to use those tools. Roger Davis is a Telos UK blog producer and is developing the public domain application. Daniel Velasquez is a Venezuelan engineer in electronic, and he can train people in Spanish or in English. And I am the project manager of Ventureo, and I'm advising people about new tools developed on Telos and on Hive. What do we need to market this project? We are selling training sessions. The software development is paid by block production, but of course people are not used about blockchain tools, and we need to train them how to use them. So we are selling training sessions, and we would be delighted if Fuzzy Java City could be our first customer. Thank you very much.